All right, there's no way that I'm the only one that listens to lo-fi music while I work. I'm not sure about you guys, but that's kind of what I do. The first channel I heard of with this was this channel called Lo-Fi Girl, and then I since learned that there's like tons of like chill step, melodic type music that you can work to, and so I launched out and created my own channel. All right, just give you a quick sample of this channel, like what it's about. So I work to this, right? So this is live right now. Tons of people said this. They have 14.2 million subscribers. Lo-Fi Girl does, and people just talk like all day in this chat, and they work. Now, I'm not looking to do a like live stream. I don't even know how that works. I guess I could figure that out. But I created my own channel a while back. I have 63 videos, 10 subscribers, but kind of got held up because of the process. Like, I was like, where am I getting this music? What music is open source? Like, what can I use and credit the artist? And then recently I found Suno. So Suno's an AI music generator, and it is pretty darn incredible. It's really good. So like 6 months ago, these tools were not that good, but now I'm making music that I now have in my head. Like it's actually on repeat, or like I'll wake up and kind of dream, and like I always have music in my head. And so make music that you like. And so this is kind of what I've done. So I'll just play you a sample here. And sometimes I like instrumental music. Sometimes I like music with lyrics, but I like it. Part of the issue was like, okay, how do I need to string these songs together. Like, so I uploaded a few, but they're like 2 minutes. You don't want like a 2-minute set list. Like for example, on here, you want, see like these are 2 minutes, 2 minutes. You want longer songs. So I just spent a few minutes like doing that. And I was like, oh, this is not that hard. So there's kind of two options. You can use any video editor that you want. Here's one that's free. It's called OpenShot Video Editor. And I can delete all this stuff so I can like show you how this works. Or let me launch a new project. Save changes, no. Now the challenge with this video editor, the challenge is that you have to render the video on your local machine. So here's the files. These files are from Suno. So these files you can create. Now there's a free version, there's a paid version. Paid version, you have like commercial rights to this music. Well, I don't know about AI music or what's going on. I'm not going to tell you what to do with the free version if you have the right, if you end up making like ad revenue in the future. I don't know. I don't know the future of all this stuff. It's pretty crazy. But you can download. So you can download the audio or the video files. And let's see, what did I do? I think I downloaded I think these are video files, right? Yeah, MP4s. Because in YouTube, of course, it's got to be a video. You could download the audio, I guess, download the MP3 and then make a video out of that in an editor. But I just went ahead and downloaded the videos because it's really simple to do. And Suno gives you the option, as you can see here, gives you the option to download either. So like, totally fine with me. Really simple. So download the music. So step one, create your music. Download your music that you liked, that you're digging, that you want to work to. So you got that. Okay, cool. So if you want the free video editor, I'm going to show you what I use as well, which is Descript. And the reason why that one is because it'll render in the cloud. But so the video editor, so I'll hop back over here, can add some files. We just grab this, go from here. All right, so drag these in here. I have a thumbnail, so that's a cool thing, right? You can drag an image on top of these things and create that in Canva or whatever. So how you would do this is in these, you drag this down here. Okay, cool. Let's say I want this song. Okay, cool. Drag that on the end there. Great. All right, so we can just play that sample. So I should have the music. Cool, and then that should merge into this song, right? And it doesn't merge well. Look, you can. I'm fine with songs just like running into each other and like creating new songs. Like it's totally fine with me. All right, so right now you have a blank screen on your video. So you would need to take this image, drag it in there, drop it over, and then now you have an image on this video. It's focus time. Okay. Then of course you would export your project. So now here's where it gets, it takes some time, right? You would export this on your local machine, and no problem, save the video. You choose the format. I don't think you need a very high quality format, and go like medium, low frames per second. It doesn't matter. It's not really about the video. It's about the audio, right? Okay. So that's on that machine. Now let's open up Descript, which I just downloaded this project, but I'll do a fresh one here and show you how this works as well. All right, so I'm doing a new video project inside of Descript. I'm going to drag my files in here, and it's going to transcribe these files, which is how that works. This Descript is awesome. It's a text to video editor, so you literally go through your text. I don't need that. It doesn't matter because I don't care what the text is. That's not how I'm going to edit this, right? So it's going to bring in these, and so I'll let these files get imported. So it's working on these. One of the things, I tell you what, we'll move over to Canva. Let's design a fresh, just because Canva is such a cool tool as well. I'm sure you know about this. I hadn't really used their AI image generator, but I just did. So let's delete this. Let's elements, or is it design? Where did I just see it? Generate your own. So cozy, chilled out, coffee shop, raining outside. I don't know, making all this up. All right, so let's see what image this generates. Okay, I can vibe with that. And where did my text go? Did I delete my text? Oh, my text was behind. Okay. Oh, it's white, so it's still there. Okay, let's throw in, let's go with this one. This one's cool. Digging it. So right click, set image as the background. Nice. And this is just like a filter that I have on top of it. I always like doing that to kind of lighten up the... Okay, so let's grab this image. Let's download this. Let's call this one Raining Coffee, just so I can know which one it is. Cool, awesome. All right, so we're gonna use this one in the video that we're throwing in here. All these are now here. So this music is rolling. And then, yeah, maybe that's a lyric. Not a lyric, don't know. Okay. Now we're gonna need these images. So I believe I can just copy and paste this in there. All right, where's the coffee one? I thought we just downloaded that into there. Did we not? Coffee, YouTube channel, Raining Coffee. Did I not see that? Did I not see that? No, maybe I hadn't updated or something like that. Okay, so we're going to drop in this image here. I thought I could just copy and paste it there. Maybe I have to add files into the media bin. Forgive my desktop for being messy. Okay, so let's throw that in there. Add a new layer. All right, and then I'm grabbing that layer from here, and I'm just going to copy and paste it into each one of these songs. I don't know. There's probably a better way to do this, or a faster way or something, but that's what I'm doing. And so that's going to basically have that image playing on top of the song, right, for the video. When I download this, and I'll play this. I'll play the finished file at the end so you can see. Now, this is without me testing any of the music. I just dropped in the files. But now I have this image on all of these. It's focus time. Cool. Okay, so now let's just publish this video. And what is, again, cool about this is that instead of it rendering on my machine, this is going to render in the cloud. So you'll see when I click download here. Let's throw this on the desktop. Music, baby. So you'll see it's preparing to render. So Descript renders this in the cloud, and when it renders, then all it's going to do is just download the file, the finished file to my desktop, which is pretty cool. And then we'll throw this straight on the YouTube channel. So I'm gonna pause the video just because it's rendering, but we're at 16%, 41%, or maybe I'll just talk through. Now let me tell you, am I gonna make money from this channel? I have no idea. Maybe it'll get to 1,000 plus subscribers. I don't know. I don't think it'll ever get to 14 million. The future of this, especially with like AI music. But is it possible that it could be a revenue stream? Yeah, I definitely think it's possible. I mean, just look at what Lo-Fi Girl has done in these other channels. But my thought is like, well, if I can just as easily now with the tools make my own channel, my own music, why not? It's like, why not use my own product, right? Why use another business's product when I can like use my own? And if it has the potential to grow, and as I grow my own audience, I'll plan to link out to this, right? Be like, hey, if you guys like, I have this channel, if you want to listen to music to work to, and over time I'll organize the music to be helpful. So all right, I will pause this real quick. So we're at 82%. Cool. Then once it's done rendering, download is complete. You can open it up. Now, I think I mentioned this, but the cool thing is that it renders in the cloud, so you can be doing something else. As far as I know, it's not like really taxing on your machine, like rendering a video. You probably just want to let it do that if it's doing it on your computer. Okay, cool. So I downloaded it right here on the desktop. So here's our video. This is it. My very own lo-fi music video. So that is almost a 20-minute video. That's pretty cool. Okay, so now let's hop over here to the channel and let's go ahead and upload it. Why not? I'll literally do this with you. And let me know your thoughts. Let me know, am I crazy on spending this time and energy doing this to like make my own product to consume when I could just do it from anywhere? Now, I think this is kind of important. I'll go ahead and talk about this. I think it's kind of important, your title and description here, especially the title. Lo-fi, chill, coffee, lounge, music to work or relax to. Cool. I don't even know if I have to upload a thumbnail because it's gonna have that default image, right? So 46 minutes left to process. No big deal. In screen, I guess I could. I guess we could just add the latest video or something, right? Best reviewer. Keep the party going. I'll probably do that for all these videos, I think. Cool. Let's publish it. So I'm gonna do this. I don't know if I'm crazy. Y'all let me know, but that's the process. That's how you do it. And I think you could do a lot of these. Now, one more thing I'm gonna point out is I could just rearrange these. I could grab the order of these. So just, does that move the whole section? I have no idea. Let's do this. I have actually never done this. And so let's listen to what this is. Let's start here. I don't know what happened there. Let's drag that one up to 1. Thing could not be moved. Alright, so we'll play around with that, but man, if I could just rearrange the order of these and then create more content, just like these are things I can listen to all day long, really. So then I can more easily create more content. And then if the channel can get monetized, rock on. You guys can come out and listen to some of my lo-fi music. Alright, see ya.